Hi everyone. I wanted to talk about the Gathering Quotes assignments and what they're about. So these are preparation for your final project. And so if you do these assignments throughout the semester, your final project will be almost finished, where you don't have to spend that extra work at the end of the semester when you're pushed for time. So what you'll be doing is gathering 2 quotes from the reading I asked them from, including the in-text citation or the page number you found it on, and reflecting upon why the quote is meaningful to you. And it's helpful if you look at the double entry journal assignment that is the final project. And it kind of goes over the instructions for this, but it also gives you an example of what this looks like for the final project. So you can see that here in the example document that you can download. I'm going to pull that over here so we can look at it. So you'll be putting your quotes in a table for the final project. And you can see here this student has gathered quote number 1 from their reading, and they're reflecting on it as far as the relation of text to the world for that one. For this one, they're taking another quote from a story and they're commenting on the relation of text to self. There's different ways you can react to the text. It might be a reaction, could be a reflection, perhaps it's raising social questions, and you can just be talking maybe about the significance the text has. So there's different ways you can respond. It's up to you how you choose to respond to each quote, but I would like you to respond in a variety of ways. However, if you do these assignments each week, you're going to have everything you need to plug into that table and document so you can submit your final project quickly and you can check that off of your list at the end of the semester. So I hope that helps. If you do go to the final project page, you'll see all the stories I'm asking you to gather quotes from for the semester, and doing these little by little each week will hopefully prepare you to get this done very quickly at the end of the semester. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that helps.